This is exposing Oracle Digital Assistant on the web page or web application. You can download the Oracle SDK for Digital Assistant, Web SDK, or the Android SDK or the iOS SDK for your mobile applications. So I downloaded the Web SDK, and you will get that from the Oracle Digital Assistant Service Console, as well as the ODA host name and the channel ID. Once you've done that and you've downloaded the SDK, bear with me, it's pretty nested. That this is our SDK that we downloaded, and in the samples file, we have enabled a text editor, and all this is just settings and settings and an initialization code. I just passed these two parameters and the URI, the Oracle Digital Assistant hostname. Like I said, you'll get that from the Service Console, and the channel ID, which is when you specify your channel. So I did a web channel, copied my channel ID, and this file mimics the customer's website. And we look at this code, and we add this code to wherever the head or the body and a wrapper, wherever your website code sits or your web application code sits, from script all the way down. And what that is gonna do is allow the Oracle Digital Assistant to pop up on your website. So if I double click this, that will actually mimic your web application. Another thing to note here is that you can migrate, customize this icon here for your ODA chatbot. So let's interact with it. It can have multiple skills, up to 10,000 intents and 25, which are help the ODA match the what you're saying to the interaction, and the utterances are actually what the end user types in. So, like I said, 10,000 intents, 25,000 utterances. Displays the visual options of the pizza because we're in the pizza skill. Goes into the particularities of ordering the pizza. Can send your coordinates, so it's going to be 30 and negative 97 because we're in Oracle headquarters. If you wanted to know where that is. And it's also so there's 3 default intents, unresolved intent to help it resolve intents that are within the confidence thresholds, the help intent, where if you type in help, it'll come up with a list of default options, and the exit intent. So if we type in the help intent, so it just helps us do progress the flow of the conversation. We're going to do the exit intent. We exit the pizza skill, and it also has outstanding voice to text capabilities, and it can support any other language, even right to left languages. All you need to do is configure a resource bundle to map that language to English, because that is what the natural language processing is done. And there's 2 types of ODA, one for dev, and that's the natural language processing, and the other one is the AI ML trainer, which uses the neural network, which is in memory and progressively fine-tunes the Oracle Digital Assistant, which also works with any language as well by configuring a resource bundle. Order wine. Order wine. Pinot Noir. We're going to have a party, so we'll do 6 bottles. It remembers my GPA coordinates from before, so it's not going to prompt me again. And that is that. And we can do an inspect F. And so we'll do an inspect F, command option plus I. we see this is where the code sits. So we are going to do it like so. Not double click, but open it with the text editor. And we're actually going to and like I said, either in the head or the body, so we'll just do the body. You do edit as HTML. You can do it and you see my settings and Web SDK is now in there. And we'll do a Control S to save it. And now it is permanently in our website.